Okay, so next one, it says here that the entire agribusiness is made to work by coordinators. So, sino-sino itong mga coordinators? These are the managers, the government officers, and the education, of course. Now, itong mga coordinators na to, they provide the strategy, the rules, the innovation, and even yung mga talent na kailangan para makip natin na maayos yung agribusiness ventures. So, sina managers or these are the administrators of the firms. So, itong mga manager, they are they are the practical decision makers. So, sila yung responsible dun sa mga financing, logistics, sa mga marketing or pagbenta ng products, sa pag-hire ng mga staff, and even kayo, if let's say nag-graduate na kayo, you will be one of the options na pwede nyong maging work is pagiging manager. So, you will be performing managerial function para ma-ensure na yung mga businesses or yung firms ay efficient and profitable. So, itong course na to, it will give you the groundwork para maging effective managers kayo. And then, we also have here the government officers. So, itong mga government officers, they are the regulators and the developers. So, ang function nila is related sa mga government programs and projects. So, ang role nila is to run the business, is not to run the business, but to create the environment for them to thrive. So, sila yung nagre-regulate para yung mga businesses in agribusinesses will be successful or is guided by rules and regulations. So, when we say regulation, in terms of regulation, let's say, they are after ensuring yung food safety, yung quality standards, ano pa. In terms of trade naman, the negotiating international agreements para makatulong sa pag-export ng mga products, ano pa ba. And even yung mga support. So, sa government, yung mga businesses, they can also receive support or in terms of subsidies, mga loans para sa mga farmers natin or sa agribusinesses. And also, yung sa government officers, ang role din nila is to invest in infrastructure. So, dapat they are investing on roads, ports, or yung mga irrigation projects. So, with that, mapapadali yung operation dun sa vertical supply chain natin. So, itong mga roles na to ng government officers, it is very critical para ma-stabilize nila yung market. We also have here the educators. So, itong mga educators, ito naman yung mga researchers or coming mga professors, instructors and professors. So, we train the manpower needed to lead and operate itong mga firms na to. So, as educators, ang job namin is to ensure na yung mga students namin, like you, possess yung necessary mix ng agricultural science, ng business, ng economic theories, para pwede kayo sa managerial tasks and coordination roles. So, ayan. Also, yung mga researchers din natin, they work closely with educators kasi syempre sila naman yung in charge dun sa pag-develop ng new technology, like, kunwari, new crop variety, mas magandang or better animal feed, a smarter processing technique, and yung mga mas efficient na business model. So, sila naman yung nag-feed ng innovation dun sa sistema ng agribusiness. So, itong iba't ibang coordinators na to, of course, they are interconnected. Ibig sabihin, connected sila sa isa't isa. Syempre, yung managers, nag-identify sila ng mga problems. Yung researchers, sila yung nagde-develop ng solution. Yung educator, sila yung nagte-train ng mga students para ma-implement yung solution. And yung government naman, sila yung nag-set ng policy para ma-scale up yung solution na yun. So, ito yung groups of strategic brain pagdating sa agribusiness.